Hello, 11th and 12th graders. Welcome to March. This month, we will be working on the transferable skill innovative thinking. We will be doing a problem-solving activity and then completing this innovative thinking evidence sheet and then linking that in our PLPs under the transferable skills portfolio section. Seniors, your job is to finish up your PLP and finish up the process. And you're going to want to do that before the end of quarter 3. So please be in contact with me, be responsible, and work with your advisor to finish the process up. Okay, so 11th graders, let's go ahead and open up this innovative thinking lesson. And you and your advisory will read through this information, and you're really learning about the steps of problem solving or reviewing those steps. And then you'll take that information to complete this activity down here. So for 11th grade, it says complete the grade 9-10 activities. So here there are 2 options, and you will choose one of these options. So fixing what's broke challenge, that is option 1. And if you are interested in solving an issue or a problem at Mount Abe, this is a great activity for your advisory to take on. And you can actually break up into smaller groups with an advisory if that works in your advisory. Additionally, the second option is to learn about QR codes and then play with them and develop a fun project with that. So choose one of those problem-solving activities, and then when you finish with the activity at the end of the month or near the end of the month, you'll open up this innovative thinking transferable skill evidence sheet, and your advisor will share this with you, and you'll fill this out and you'll describe your activity. I do strongly encourage you to use this document as you go through the problem solving process, depending on which activity you do, and then you can take notes here. And then at the end of the process, you'll go ahead and write a reflection here, and then you'll copy the URL, and that's what you will post into your transferable skills portfolio in your PLP. So again, you are choosing between one of these 2 activities. Have fun with these activities. They should be fun, and have a great month. We'll see you in April.